Baba uze Orlando Arena namhlanje uzobukela ibhola. Uyibone kanjani igame namhlanje?
No, mina uThami bengazi ukuthi iBhakaniya liyowina. Yeah, I knew ukuthi liyowina. My only concern kule game was uNdlondlo because uNdlondlo uyahlupha uThami. Yeah, bekangekho but njengoba uNdlondlo bekangekho I just knew ukuthi iPirates izowina and ukhumbule when you are playing at home uThami, home game is very important. Yeah. So I came here knowing ukuthi iBhakaniya liyowina. Leyo bengena doubt yayo. And then njengoba bengishilo earlier on, I watched a very good game. And omunye umuntu engithanda ukumbonga la kuBhakaniya, you know iBhakaniya lose a good defender. uTLP. uTLP njengoba ngekho. iPirates isayibambile. Yazi iposition kaTLP Butwami. It's like uTLP ukhona mara akekho. So whoever odlala leya position, I am proud of him and they must keep it up. I wish him all the best. I wish one day angadlalela neBafana if akekho kuBafana. But with the way iBhakaniya lenza ngakhona, I'm telling you uThami league ivayile.
Kubonga mina baba. Bengicela just a last question yengizobuza yona. I-man of the match yakho nje kule game ebone namhlanje. As much as analyze ukuthi uTLB iposition yakhe ivalekile, isikhala sakhe sivalekile. I-man of the match yakho namhlanje ungathi ubani?
I'll give it to Mfukeng. Yeah, I'll give it to Mfukeng ngama 2000 mfethu. Umfana hayi. It's too good mfethu.
Kubonga mina baba.
Knows football. Nami ngiyabonga uThami.
Sohlangana Wednesday FNB.
Nali netikiti. Sohlangana khona. Ungalishuta mfethu nali. I'm ready for FNB. And ngihamba neBhakaniya nalapho. I'm tired of Sundowns winning this league. Ngihamba neBhakanjuni. I-score prediction Sundowns niyoshaywa 3-0 anidophi 4 goal.
Thank you baba. Thank you so much baba. Thank you so much.